Welcome back, or welcome if it's your first time stopping by the channel. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Priceless Home, Life, and More. Well, the votes are in and have been calculated, tabulated, counted, all that good stuff. And you voted and said, Trina, we want to see you back in your priceless kitchen. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm bringing you a recipe. It's a barbecue neck bone recipe. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. As always, the full recipe will be listed in the description box below. I'm starting off by thoroughly washing my pork neck bones. I'm using a little bit of water as well as a little bit of apple cider vinegar. You can also use some lemon or lemon juice as well. After thoroughly washing your neck bones, place in a large pot, large enough for all of your neck bones and enough water to cover them completely. Place on your stove on medium-high heat and boil for about 45 minutes to an hour until they are tender. So I'm simply moving my neck bones around from the top to the bottom, making sure that they're all cooking evenly. So now it's time to transfer them to this aluminum baking pan. And as you can see, they are truly falling off the bone. So I'm actually doing a 2-in-1 recipe. So you'll see one today and one maybe next week. Into the oven, my neck bones go for 20 to 25 minutes, and they are covered with aluminum foil. So remember, this is a 2-for-1 video. So here comes part 1. Time now to make the barbecue neck bones. Oh, I'm getting excited. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! Here we go. Use your favorite barbecue sauce or barbecue sauce of choice. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar, but I'm adding a little extra brown sugar for that caramelized effect. Now I'm adjusting my temperature and placing my neck bones back in the oven uncovered for 20 to 25 minutes. And oh, you see this? Woo! Make me want to just start humming a little song. Okay. Yes. If you enjoyed today's recipe, make sure to check out my cooking and baking playlist. I'm sharing easy, delicious recipes for you and your family to enjoy. And if you're new here, well, come on and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Yeah, and I need everybody, to give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.